Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the OKP Life K2 robot vacuum cleaner, a sleek and efficient cleaning solution for your home. This compact device, weighing just over 3 kilograms, boasts a powerful 1,800 mAh battery, offering up to 100 minutes of cleaning time before it automatically docks and recharges. With 4 versatile cleaning modes, auto, spot, wall follow, and manual, you can easily tailor your cleaning experience to suit your needs using the intuitive OKP app. The K2 is designed with FreeMove Technology 2.0, featuring 6D anti-collision infrared sensors for an efficient and thorough clean, while its brushless suction port ensures no hair entanglement, making it perfect for pet owners. Plus, the smart app compatibility allows for seamless control and scheduling, and it even works with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice commands. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors or carpets, the OKP Life K2 is engineered to save you time and energy, delivering a spotless home with minimal effort. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the OKP Life K2 might just be the perfect addition to your household. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.